Hi everyone, it's George, and this is my 1986 Trans Am. You might remember this car had a ticking sound in the engine, and the manifolds were leaking, and also we took it to the garage to get it fixed, to have them replaced and fixed, and now I'm going to turn it over to show you how it's going to run. Here we go. Engine starting up for the very first time. Okay, here we go, in cold weather. Here we go. Let's wait for the beep, and it should turn over right now. This is me excited for unwrapping the head gaskets for this car. And now I can't hear any sound of the ticking sound. It's great, back to normal.